Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator, free AI image. First is sign in to your Microsoft Bing account, and then play with your imagination. Type in here the details of the image you want to create and press enter on your keyboard. Let's try Spider-Man standing beside a tower. Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for a few moments and it will generate the image here. Click one of the images to see it in full view. In here, you can share, save, download, and customize the image. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!